The iPad program is going to consist of three parts, really. The iPads themselves, and they will be numbered with checkout stuffs and tattle tape on them. This tray that they sit in, which is for recharging and synchronizing all of their content. Synchronizing their content means that they're going to be wiped and set back to our default configuration every time we put them back into this tray. And that is all done by the third part, the software that we're going to be using, which is the Apple configurator. Now it happens automatically. You don't have to go to the software and make it do anything unless something has gone wrong. So when you set an iPad in the tray and connect it with its connector, this will automatically start to synchronize it to our configuration. Now if something does go wrong, it tells you right away. All the information is right on the screen and pretty simple to understand icons. When you have the little battery icon on the side, not sure I can focus that closely, but that's what that rectangle is. That means that it's charging and it's connected fine. If you see circles, that means it's not connected and it's somewhere else. And the same goes for if you see nothing. That also means that it's not connected, it's somewhere else. Okay, so what do you expect to see on this screen that is actually going to make it easier for us to manage these than the laptops? You know, you put the laptop in the cabinet and you really never know what state it's in when you take it out. You don't know if it's charged fully or not, how much of a charge it has, and you don't know for sure if it was reset from the previous user. But with the iPads, the software connected to it will tell us exactly what condition it's in. For example, if I disconnect one and use it to do anything, let's just go back here. The system is going to know that it's been away, and when I plug it back in, the system is going to show you that it's working on it. Alright, so I'm plugging it back in using the plug-in procedure, and you hear it beep, and when you look back over at the software, you can see the icon has changed and it's telling you right underneath restoring backup. That icon is telling you progress on the backup restore, and it also does several things at once. It takes about 2 minutes, and when you come over here to get one for a customer, you'll look at the screen. It'll tell you iPad number 7 is busy updating, and then you won't grab number 7 for the patron. The cart itself is numbered on the side. The trays are 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 in the back. And the iPads will be numbered on the front, and they will have names that are recognized the same over here. This time number 1 was number 7, but we're still testing and configuring, so I have number 7. I just labeled it for a test labeling as number 1. But we'll make sure that numbers all match, and it's installing configuration profiles, and now you can see that it's finished because it has the battery icon, that little blue rectangle on the right hand side, saying that it's charging now. That means it took just as long as we were speaking, and it's already ready for the next patron. And it tells you it's ready, so you come over, you look at the screen, you find one that has its charging icon set, and you take that one for the next patron. Okay, that's a summary of sort of how it's going to be like, and there'll be more detailed instructions as we go.